Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve the LeetCode problem number 283, that is move 0. This problem is very important because it teaches in-place array manipulation and two-pointer technique which interviewers loves. So in the problem we are given an integer array. We just draw it nums 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. So basically this is very easy level problem. We are given an integer array. We have to just move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero element. So means we have to maintain the order 0, 1, 3, 12 and 0 and 0. So we have to maintain the order of non-zero number and we have to push the zero number to the end of the array. So to solve this, we actually need to understand what are the constraint of this problem. So we are given the mixed number, that is also 0 and non-zero number. We have to keep the original order. Many beginners try to create a new array and copy the value, but the problem clearly say that no extra space allowed. So the correct approach to solve this problem, it must be we use the two pointer. So j pointer is used to scan the array, scans the array, and I is used to points to the position where the next non-zero element should go. So the idea behind is if we get nums of g is non-zero, then we have to swap with the j, nums of j, that is nums of I, and then we have to increment I and always increment j. So the code and thinking behind is that we have to use starting a j pointer and n is equal to array dot length. So while loop j is less than n, and if array of j is not equal to 0, then we must swap with ith nums, that is int temp is equal to nums of j will be replaced with nums of I, and nums of I will be given the value of 10, and we have to increment the I, and if we doesn't get equal to 0, then we should increase the j pointer. So j is never incremented. This is because it is an infinite loop. So the time complexity is O of n because the single pass through the array, and space complexity time complexity, and also the space complexity is O of n because we doesn't take extra memory. So we will be solving the following problem and read code. So let's start there. So we have to give the initial point, that is I is equal to 0, j is equal to 0, and n is equal to nums of length, while j is less than n. If nums of j is not equal to 0, then we have to replace with the ith number, that is int temp nums of j. Nums of j will replace with nums of I, and nums of I will replace with temp I plus plus and j plus plus. I hope this is right. Yeah, we solved it correctly without using an extra memory space or time complexity. Yeah, we solved with 2 milliseconds. So thank you for watching.